Welcome to Visiting Book, your smart, simple, and powerful digital visitor management app. Let's take a quick tour and explore every feature step by step. Home page. This is your home page. Every visitor you've added, every connection you've made appears right here. Your visitor list updates instantly whenever someone scans your QR code or add a new card. Analytics page. Check your growth with Analytics View weekly, monthly, and daily statistics to understand how many visitors were added during each time period. Track your visitor insights. Campaigns. Running an event or exhibition? Create a campaign, track total footfall and capture visitor details smartly for each event. Smart event tracking. Visitor type. Organize your visitors by categories like clients, leads, vendors, or any name you choose. You can add, rename, or edit visitor types anytime. Organize your visitor groups. Map ID. 4 powerful tabs. A. Map ID request. Send connection requests to any visiting book user for viewing his visitors lists. For example, you can check your sales team clients' meeting lists instantaneously. B. Card access. Here you'll see the cards of the people who has given you the access through Map ID to view their cards. For security, each card stays visible for 10 minutes. C. Access shared. View the people you've shared your card access with, and remove access whenever you want. D. Pending, cancel. Check all your pending and cancelled requests in one place. EQR code. Your personal EQR code helps you collect visitor details instantly when someone scans it through the application or their any mobile scanner. Their information is added directly to your home page. You can share or download your QR anytime. Notifications. Every update you need, new visitors, map ID requests, campaign activity, and reminders all appear here. Stay updated every moment. Help icon. Need assistance? Just fill in your name, phone number, email, and preferred call time. Our team will call you back. Support at your fingertips. Visitor card options. When you tap any visitor's card, you'll get 6 options. A. WhatsApp. Message instantly. B. Call. Dial directly. C. Remark. View the note they added while scanning. D. Move to. Shift visitor as per their types and category. A. Share. Share your visitor's card with anyone. F. Delete. Remove the card. Your total count stays the same. Quick actions for every visitor. If you look at the bottom of the home page, you will find 5 useful and important navigation bar icons. Now, let's go through each icon one by one to understand their features and how they work. First, Home takes you back to the home page. Second, Share. Share the visiting book app link with others. Third, Scanner. Scan someone's QR to exchange business details instantly. Fourth, Add card. Add a visiting card by scanning or typing manually. Fifth, Book demo. Schedule a demo call by submitting your name, company name, and preferred time. Everything you need, one tap away. When you open the side drawer, you will see all the main features of the application listed here. Let me quickly explain what each option is used for. My account. View or edit your profile, change your card design, and access your personal QR code. Ready to share or download anytime. Your identity, your way, and check your active plan, remaining days, and renewal date, all in one place. Plan details made clear. Global search. Looking for someone? Find visitors instantly. Search any visitor quickly using their mobile number or VBID. No need to scroll through your full list. Unique card. Displays how many unique visitors have connected with you. Order QR. Order a professionally printed QR code for your office, shop, showroom, hotel, or workplace. Perfect for walk-in visitors to scan and connect instantly. FAQ. This section answers common questions about using the app, making it easy for new users to understand all features. How it works. Includes tutorial videos, step-by-step guides, and instructions for using different features of the app. Subscription plans. See all available plans with full details, pricing, duration, and benefits. helps you choose the best plan according to your needs. Request callback. Submit your preferred date and time, and the support team will call you to help solve any issue or answer queries. Testimonials. Read real reviews and feedback from users who are already using Visiting Book. Helpful for understanding user experiences. When you open the settings, a new page will appear on your screen showing 8 important options. Let's take a quick look at each one and understand what they do. First, request blocked accounts. This section shows all the people whose requests you have blocked. If someone sends you a map ID request and you block them, their name will appear here. You can unblock them anytime. Second, ID blocked accounts. This shows users whose Visiting Book ID you have blocked from anywhere in the app. If you don't want someone to see your card or connect with you, their ID will appear here. You can unblock them whenever you want. Third, change password. A simple section to update your account password. You just enter your old password, create a new one, and save it. Use it for account safety. Fourth, trash bin. Every card you delete goes into the trash bin. You can restore any card from here at any time. Nothing is permanently deleted from this section. Fifth, invite friends. Use this option to invite your friends, family, or business contacts to join Visiting Book. You can share the app link directly from here through WhatsApp, SMS, or any other platform. 6. Privacy policy. This section shows how Visiting Book protects your data, how your information is stored, and how the app keeps your account secure. 7th, terms or conditions. These are the rules of using the app. It explains what you can do, what is not allowed, and how the platform works legally. 8th, delete account request. If you want to permanently delete your Visiting Book account, you can submit a request from here. After submitting, the Visiting Book support team will process your request and delete your account. Now let's go back to the side navigation menu. 2 options are still left, feedback and social media accounts. Let's understand both. Feedback. Share your ideas, feature requests, or suggestions with the Visiting Book team to help improve the app. Social media. Follow Visiting Book on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and other platforms to stay updated on new features and announcements. Remark. Add personal notes or reminders. When someone scans your EQR code using the scanner, they get an option to add a remark. This remark can be anything important they want to note while connecting with you. Whenever you open that visitor's card and tap on the remark option, you can view the remark that the person added. You can also add your own notes or reminders here anytime. For example, follow-up reminder, meeting details, important information, future tasks. This helps you remember every interaction clearly and stay organized for future communication. Thank you for watching. Keep exploring Visiting Book and enjoy a seamless visitor management experience. Visiting Book. Connections smarter, faster, and easier. Download now and experience the future of digital networking.